So we've been out here for the last 6 weeks collecting data on rockets, artillery.
The LWSD is estimated to be the most destructive laser weapon at sea. Developed by the Office of Naval Research in Northrop, Grumman. This weapon has an output of 150 kilowatts. It is 5 times more destructive than the laser guns that already equipped American warships. The laser weapon system, LWSD, which has been on the USS Ponce since 2014, for example, is reported to have an output of 30 kilowatts. Even that is enough to shoot down a small drone. By testing firing it at UAVs and small flying vehicles, we will gain valuable information about the technological capabilities of this weapon against potential threats, said Captain Karrey Sanders, commanding officer on the USS Portland. The Optical Dazzling Interdictor laser weapon, which has recently equipped the missile-intercepting warship USS Dewey, is also only a LWSD equivalent. This laser is designed to shoot down drones and interfere with electro-optical sensors. A 150 kilowatt laser weapon will be able to overcome threats coming from small ships, rockets, artillery, and mortars. For example, can be fired up to 6 miles. And unlike guided missiles, environmental factors such as rain, dust, smoke, and other airborne particles can cause the laser quicker to significantly to damage its target long distance.
So we've been out here for the last 6 weeks collecting data on rockets, artillery, mortar, and unmanned air systems to basically knock them out of the sky with a laser beam. And we collect that data to be able to anchor our models and to use that data to project what are the real requirements for an Army system that will eventually protect U.S. soldiers and equipment from rockets, artillery, mortars, unmanned air systems, indirect fire weapon systems. We are at the Army's High Energy Laser System Test Facility located at White Sands Missile Range, New Mexico. And it has been designated by the Army as the premier location to do high energy laser system tests and demonstrations. One of the things that we do in science and technology development is try to integrate technology in form factors and in appearance of what potentially a future weapon system might look like. Thus, the Hemet truck, tan, color, kind of military looking, but we don't ever envision this system as meeting the requirements of what the Army will need future. So this is just collecting data, conducting experiments, for being able to inform what future systems need to look like. We learned something new. I mean, this is a science and technology effort. It's really tough. It hasn't been done before with fiber lasers, with this type of beam control system. So we do learn things, but yes, it has performed well.